Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com doing another portfolio review. So today was another bullish day for the market, and as you know, I have a mix of shorts and longs, but I'm mostly net short. So without further ado, let's go to the trades. BVN, I actually covered a little today. I'm fairly close to being stopped out of this trade, so I'm just going to wait to see what happens tomorrow. I know Fed meetings coming up on Wednesday. I mentioned that this is going to be a short week for me because I will be out of town Friday and probably won't be back doing my regular routine until maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. So next trade is in CRUS. Still not looking too bad. It did trade higher from yesterday's close, but still within the confines of the EMA, so not too concerned about this one at this point. HAS, I kind of like this. It tried to go, but it pulled back sharply. I mean, it tried to go in the morning, but then it spent the rest of the day pulling all the way back. So it's right at the EMAs again. So still looking good for potential short continuation down here somewhere. CME looking really good now. I actually should have added on this day, but I added very late today. I'm expecting it to pull back, at least back down to the 74 level at some point, and maybe it'll bounce off of there for another place to add. But at this point, I am just watching and just seeing how far this can go. Mankind traded higher initially, but the price got rejected and it's right down below kind of this support wedge area, and it might have to test the EMAs before I can keep going, but it doesn't look too bad right now as long as this thing can hold. But what I don't like is look how much volume was done on this day. If it breaks down below this wedge with as much volume, then I definitely have to be careful about this. Amazon, I actually got out of this trade today just because I'm just thinking it's number one is I'm using options on that and they have time decay. So number two is, like I said, I'm gonna be gone from Friday to potentially Tuesday or Wednesday, so there's not much I can do in terms of adjusting this position. So I got out of that. Priceline, yeah, this one as I wrote here, ouch, this one hurt. So it actually stopped me out today, and took a pretty big loss on this. But I mean, I I should have covered some here, and if I cover some here, then this would have been a free money trade eventually, essentially, and I would have just maybe broke even or lost a little bit, but instead I took a sizable loss. But who knows? I mean, these levels may come into play once again, but for now, especially with the volume that was done today, I did not want to be short, so I got out of that trade. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm down to about 5 positions now. I did add to a position, but I'm adding to strength and not really concerned about it. But I may look for some more ideas, but I may not take those trades because I will be away. But thank you for watching, and talk to you guys again soon.